Porsche 911 1972, rear left torsion bar cup, corrosion on the inner diameter, reducing the inner diameter by between 3 and 5 mil as the rust has grown. You can see there, remove some of the rust, which is reducing the internal diameter. The bush that came out of it has been reduced and still remembers the constraint. That's 3 to 5 mil less diameter than the one on the outside bush cup, which is there. Two options. One is to remove and then sleeve, obviously then affecting the internal diameter and then having a custom made bush, or to supply an aftermarket device such as Dansk, like a jug or a tankard, which so we cut out that and then interference fit the tankard into the torsion bar tube, which you can see beyond there in the hole, and then a weld around the periphery. Car has been subject to a bare metal respray, and issue with adherence of the primer and the underbody anti-chip.